Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see this beauty right here? 2010, guys. 2010 Dodge Dakota. That's right, guys. And guess what, guys? I got some good news for you Dodge Dakota owners. That's right, man. Especially 2010. Now, not just the Dodge Dakota, okay? We talking about the Ram, the Nitro, okay, and the Jeep Liberty. All right, anything in the 2010 year range with a 3.7 liter engine, guys. What I'm talking about is the water pump. That's right, guys. That's it. Now I fit to recall the water pump, and I know a lot of you guys been having problems with your water pump. This sun is blocking y'all view. As far as leaking and noisy, typically they become noisy before the bearings will fail before they start leaking. So at any rate, either way, it will require you to replace the water pump. Okay, but good news is they have now recalled it. Okay, and again, only one I specified was the 2010 year model. Okay, so now what the dealer is supposed to do is once you bring it in, say you got a problem with your water pump, what the dealer would do, they're supposed to pressurize the system. Okay, in other words, they're supposed to verify that it's actually leaking from the water pump, because a lot of things can happen on a 2010 year model, guys. You could have other issues, radiator leaking and things like that, and people will come in and just want their water pump fixed. But technically, if the water pump's leaking, you can get a new one via the recall. Now, remember what I always say, guys, recalls are essentially safety issues. So there's obviously something unsafe that they deem unsafe about this water pump that will require its replacement. And I'm game. They fairly easy, and it's a long time coming. I mean, this is a 2010 model, guys. What about all the other year models that had this style water pump? Remember, I just did one on a, what was that? That was a Jeep. Remember the one I did live? I'm gonna card it right here. Yeah, I did that one live. And that one was from a bearing failure, which will in essence turn into a leak. Okay, because the longer you go on it, it eventually end up leaking. All right, but my point is, I just want to relay that news to all the Dodge Dakota owners out there. This truck is still, in fact, I own one. I don't know if it's this year, but the recall only specified 2010, guys. So if you got a 2009 or 2011 Ram Dodge Dakota, it doesn't apply yet. They may in the future upgrade that or update that recall to include new models or earlier or later models. At any rate, I'm going to go in and see if we have one. I can see now, like I said, technically we're supposed to verify. I can see water drizzle down here. Okay, so if you can avoid having to, like if you can visually see where it's leaking, then yeah, you don't have to do all of this as far as pressure testing. Now this thing has a fan clutch on it, guys. Now I want to think the ones with the fan clutch are the ones that are affected. Remember, guys, this is kind of a pain in the butt to get that fan clutch off, so you're not going to have mechanics just recklessly replacing them because ain't nothing else to do. No, this could be a hurdle. All right, yeah, you don't want to play with that stuff. If it's not leaking, you don't want to just do it just to be doing it, because you can open up another can of worms. All right, no. I am no big fan of replacing something that really don't need it. Okay, yeah, I'm not finna open up that can of worms. I talked about this on another video, guys. Now you see they have theirs secured pretty tight, and I'm no big fan of these aftermarket. Look at that. See, that one's, if you're gonna do it, at least go with this one. Oh, this one is too flimsy, and it's on the positive side. Yeah, good thing the electronics in this truck, this is an older model, 2010, it's not as sophisticated as the new stuff, because this will cause you all kinds of problems on the newer stuff. Brand new cars, yeah, this is a no, but this will work on this older model car, guys. But I just wanted to warn you, Dodge Dakota owner, if you headed to a shop to get your radiator or get your water pump replaced, turn around, stop, don't do it. Because I'm gonna tell you something, that shop owner, he has the same database, you know, most shop has, and they can see the recalls. They're not gonna tell you, oh, you can take it to the dealer and get it done free. No, that is revenue out of their stream or out of their hands. So they're not gonna tell you, so they're gonna go on with the repair. You, as the vehicle owner, should be aware of all, you know, you are entitled to as far as your car. So stay on top of your stuff. I hate to see, I had a lady when got her catalytic converter replaced, cost her $1,200, and she had a recall on the catalytic converter. She could have got it free. And she fighting with them right now, trying to get her money back, but it's a done deal. So my moral of the story is, uh, you need to know your own personal stuff. You need to do your own homework, okay? And the real crazy thing about it is recalls are easy to find if you apply. Alrighty guys, real quick, I'm getting ready. Y'all remember the Commander I diagnosed the other day that had the belt flew off, and because of the water pump being extremely loose. Now I want to give y'all a heads up as it relates to customers like Karen and Shaniqua and people like that, guys. This customer want to know, can we guarantee this will fix her car? Absolutely not, guys. There's no guarantees in the automotive industry. Please, guys, if you're out there working on cars, refrain from guaranteeing anything. I do not know if this vehicle was overheated, okay? Yes, of course, they're not going to be honest with you. So I have to make these repairs. Unfortunately, we have to start somewhere, guys. We tried to use the term start here. She wasn't hearing it. She want to know if we can't guarantee this will fix her car, don't do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm willing to back out and not do it because I simply cannot guarantee that this will fix your car. But if I put all this on and find out you overheated it, you're not being honest with me. So I have to start here. I have to put this belt and this water pump on to find out if there's any other problem, man. Be careful with these type customers. Alrighty guys, to my Jeep Wrangler owners, I know I have a bunch of them out there, guys. I want to show y'all something. Y'all probably didn't know this. Y'all see this hood, right? It's down, right? So I'm gonna raise this hood and I'm gonna use one hand to do it. I want to show y'all something. Look at that, it stayed up. You know why, guys? Because this Jeep is equipped with a hood prop kit. Okay, yeah, this is a kit I guess they sell in the parts department. You have to bolt it right here and add it to the frame, and essentially that would give you a way to add hood shocks. Okay, yeah, now it's just like a regular old car. Okay, no longer do you have to lay the hood all the way back. You still have your prop right here, but you don't have to use it. Okay, like I say, this kit will allow you to install a bolt to the frame that will allow you to add some hood shocks. So all you Jeep Wrangler owners out there, you might want to look into that. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen a Jeep with a hood up like this. Interesting. Y'all go get you one, man.